In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice chat in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to navigate to the ChatGPT website. It's super easy. Just open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Once you land on the site, you'll be greeted by a clean and straightforward interface, which is perfect for getting started. Think of it as your canvas, where all the magic will happen. Now that you're on the home page, keep an eye out for an option that says Use Voice. This should be pretty visible right in front of you, so you can't miss it. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be taken to the next step without any hassle. It's really one of the coolest aspects of ChatGPT because it allows you to interact using different voice options. Once you click on Use Voice, a new screen will pop up. Here, you'll see a button that says Continue. Click that button to proceed. It's a bit like moving through a series of doors. Every click gets you closer to your final destination. Now, when you get to the next step, you'll encounter an exciting selection of voices. This is the fun part. You can choose from various voices that might best match your personality or the mood you're trying to convey in your chats. Take a moment here. Listen to the different options available to you. You'll be amazed at the diversity. Different accents, tones, and styles can really add a unique flavor to your conversations. Once you find the voice that resonates with you, go ahead and click on Start New Chat. This final step wraps up the voice selection process. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the voice settings in ChatGPT. Now it's time to interact with the tool using your newly selected voice. It's a fresh and engaging way to experience the application. Now, to recap all that we've covered, you started by visiting ChatGPT, you clicked on Use Voice, then Continue, selected your desired voice, and finally clicked on Start New Chat. While it may sound simple, each step contributes to a more dynamic interaction with the AI. As you become more familiar with using different voices, don't hesitate to play around with various tones and styles. Whether you're looking for a serious professional vibe or something that's more casual and fun, the choice is entirely yours. Experimentation is key, and through that you'll discover just how versatile ChatGPT can be. Remember, your experience is what you make of it. Enjoy your conversations, be creative, and most importantly, have fun with the new features available to you. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to give that thumbs up button a click and subscribe for more informative content just like this. Your support means a lot and helps us continue creating tutorials that you find useful. Thanks for watching.